On today's Tabular Bits, we're going to look at members and their relationship to roles within Tabular. Members are the users you add to your Tabular organization. We manage them under the organization's settings. Adding new members is as simple as clicking on the plus, and then entering the emails of those you want to add. They will get an email with a link for them to accept the invitation and log in. The member has now been added, but for them to have data access privileges, they need to belong to a role. So let's look at how that is all structured. In the tabular architecture, a member will have whatever privileges to data that is available to the roles they are a member of. Data is organized by tables. Tables belong to databases, and databases in turn are part of a warehouse within an organization. Roles can be assigned at either the database or table level. It is the role assignment that ultimately dictates the data that a member has access to, and the type of access. Let's see what that looks like in Tabular. Here we have a variety of roles. Specifically, we want to add the user we just created to this analyst role. We do that by clicking on the three-dot menu. Here we can manage the members that are in a role, or delete the role entirely. Here is where you can make a member an admin of that role, remove a member of the role with the minus sign icon, or click on the drop-down list of organization members to select a member to add. Once you've made your changes, just click on Save Role. Here we are at the database level for the SMG database. We want to grant our analyst role access to this database. Note that all members are part of the Everyone role by default. You can limit the Everyone role here as well, but right now we just want to add the analyst role. Here we select the role, or if you didn't already have it defined, you can create a new role in this dialog. Now we can really control what a role is allowed to do. Just use the slider to select the level of access you want the role to have. You can also select how you want this role to be able to interact with tables created later. In this case, we are restricting the analyst role to read only in all cases. Now we apply the changes. That's all there is to it. We just walked through managing members in a tabular organization and learned what the relationship is between members and roles, and how that controls their access to data. Visit our website to find out more.